Good morning, students. Let's start our lesson. Today's theme is IOS problems. Aims of the lesson: to foster a sense of collectivism, empathy for human problems, focus on high moral values, the harmful effects of bad habits on the human body, to develop interpersonal skills, thinking, creative initiative, the ability to speak improvisations, to increase the proportion of independent work. Expected results. 2 will know that choosing a profession is very important in our life, to understand a sense of collectivism, empathy of human problems, focus on high moral values and harmful effects of bad habits on the human body, to use taken knowledge in interpersonal skills, creative initiative and during the proportion of independent work. Let's stop as the introduction. To be a teenager, it's hard or wonderful. One side, you have a lot of problems, doubts, you don't understand a lot of things, you realize yourself. It's really difficult age. Another side, you get to know about things you didn't know and understand in your young years. You become more emotional, you begin to form your character and your life positions. So what is the answer to this eternal question? It will be very touchable, yes? Today is fashionable to speak about teenage problems. More widespread problems of teens are family problems, personal problems, school problems, violence, aggressiveness, cruelty, drug addictions. Let's stop in some of them, yes? What problems do tweens have today? It's difficult to solve them, yes? The first problem is to get a good education. The second, to get a highly paid job. Generation gap, school problems, emotional problems, disappearance in love and friendship. Smoking, drinking, drug addiction, alcoholism, we can take any kinds of problems, yes? Poor family violence, yes? Criminal relatives or friends, runaway street children. Let's try to solve them. During them, we analyze that a lot of magazines and newspapers write about teenagers' life, yes? Look through the information gives in the chart about one day in the life of American teenagers. 2,795 teenagers get pregnant. 1,106 teenagers have abortions. 27 children die from poverty. 10 children die from guns. 6 teenagers commit suicide. 211 teenagers are arrested for drinking or drunken activity. 437 teenagers are arrested for drug addiction. 3,288 children run away from home. 40 million children around the world spend their life on city streets. It's very hard description of teenagers' life. Why are they there? Poverty at home 27%, treated badly at home 27%, nothing else to do 27%, just followed other children, yes, because of their parents they run away from home. For many young people life is harder now. Who can help them? We can take teenagers themselves, yes, teenagers have helped them to navigate them in a right way. Parents, if their parents will be very good, if their parents control the addiction, it will help them to choose the right way in their life situation. Yes, adults, their schoolmates, their group mates, with their also school. Yes, we can take the school, the more time of their lives they take at the school. It's very important place. The next is the government. Government maybe can help them, but not in any kind of situation. How to help them for teenagers in that kind of situation? Teenagers should first of all feel they are cared for. Somebody cared for, parents cared for, friends, they are cared for, relatives, or we can take or care for neighborhood. Yes. The next is talk about their problems with their parents. Yes, to be free to decide what to do. Adults should forbid them to do anything they want. Take the teenagers more seriously, help them to overcome difficulties. Think more about their children, not be quite indifferent to their problems. We take some kind of ways to have more valuable time in their life. Dating or waiting. How to organize your first dating in a proper way. Yes, what are the possible ideas of dating? Yes, first of all, as a dating will take a day trip. Yes, with their friends, with their families, or with their group mates, or with their neighbors. Yes, take a picnic, go to the picnic. Yes, to watch the forests, to go to the park. Yes, movie, cave, museum, zoo, botanical garden, hiking, stargazing, shopping together, taking photos together. Yes, maybe selfie, some kind of, and discuss about this photo. Boat rides, yes, biking riding also is a healthy lifestyle. It's roller skating. Go to the parties, yes, to have the birthday party, and in a good situation, not to do the bad things here. Let's stop. Take the children. How much freedom children have. This is the first task of our lesson. Yes. Put each of the following words and phrases in its correct space in the passage below. Чтобы зафиксировать біздің сабақты қорытындылау үшін 3 тапсырма орындаймыз. Бірінші тапсырма мына текстті оқып, қызылмен белгіленген сөздерді орын-орнына қою, яғни дұрыс фразалы, дұрыс форматта. Екінші тапсырма put each of the following words and phrases in its correct space in the passage below. Тоже сондай тапсырма teens and smoking деген тақырыпта. Яғни бұлардың барлығы жас өспірімнің қиындықтары кездесетін, соған байланысты берілген. Қызылмен жазылған сөздерді орын-орнына қоясыңдар. Үшінші тапсырмада music in the life of teens, яғни музыка жаңағы жас өспірімдердің өмірінде деген тақырыпты алдық. Жақшада алынған сөздерді дұрыс вариантын, яғни қою керек. Мысалға, бір мысал айтатын болсақ, The 70s were a time of revolution in rock music. Солай дұрыс форматқа келтіріп қоямыз. Thank you for your attention. The lesson is over.